Hi, once again, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. That was a kind of dream of mine to initiate a channel in YouTube. And as I told you, whatever you want to do something, whenever you want to do something, if that particular purpose is not merged with the eternal purpose, the repercussion of the action that never ever comes. So, in two videos, what I uploaded, in two videos, I have just spoken about the a bit of introduction about the interest of literature, how I came into this particular field of literature. In the second field, what I talked about was the importance of vocabulary. Not only in literature, but in every sector, vocabulary has its own importance. Now, a very important thing I would love to express over here is कि have a good diary with you. In literature, what happens? The face of you know the literary figures that has to be instilled in your subconscious mind, so that whenever that particular writer comes, you need to know the birth age and the age of the death, of course, when he started writing. So what I did was, before 10 years, when I started learning literature in 2010 somehow, so this is what I initiated doing is have a good diary. Never think for spending money for your education. If today you are spending 1000 rupees, after few years, the kind of money you shall earn and you shall acquire is like tremendous. So never think of spending money, especially in your education, right? Have a good diary or order a good diary and write the names. Start writing from the Anglo section, the name of the writer, the name of the writer, and the age of the writer. Like Anglo section, these are the four writers. Okay, write the name of the writer and the birth date and the uh, the death date, of course, when he came into this world and when he left the world. So this period has to be very important because, look, as I told you, there is the emotional side of literature. But if you want to acquire nice marks, you need to have the knowledge of the practical side of literature. The practicalism can never ever be denied if you desire to be the devotee of this particular subject. So after the Anglo-Saxon, you will get mostly 3 to 4 writers. Here I should not express the writers because I want you to go to your home and start doing it. In Anglo-Norman period, okay, write the period and then write the name of the writers and the works of the writer. In Anglo-Saxon period, what is the work that a particular writer subdued his life with? There may be 10 works. Now, there may be 10 novels or 10 books or ten plays or something. Now, you start writing, is it a play? No, it is a play. Now, what you have to do is write how many plays or how many book, how many poems this particular writer has written. Write on everything. In which year this was published. So the publication of the year is actually very important. You need to have this particular thing. You need to have a detailed information. Okay. In Anglo-Norman period, how many writers? There may be more than 10 writers. No, maybe you have to search with. Here I shall be discussing, but here it's a introduction videos. So far I haven't yet started the core of literature. It is the starting video, so you have to work with, right? After that, when you go to the age of Chaucer, how many writers? How many philo writers? Okay, so these are the steps. It is a play. Now, if it is a play, the characters you have to know. That will help you in the preparation of net also, because they ask you very specific questions. The specifically they shall be asking very triggered questions. So if you've initiated learning with this perspective and way, that will truly help you, right? So these are the way that is very important for being the student of literature. You need to have the basic informations. So like this, if you go and when you shall learn to the 20th century, then you will understand you have complete information about each and every writer. You have complete information the works of the writer, in which age it has been, it has been published, in the year which has been published. So if you're reading a poem, you have to give a bit of more attention that I shall be discussing in upcoming videos. Of course, it's just the introduction videos that I'm going to upload with the student. If at least a single student is showing interest, I think the intention behind the channel, that is getting fulfilled, you know. So this is what I truly experience, that whenever you want to learn something new, and whenever you have started learning something new, these are the steps which I really followed. My teacher suggested me to do all these things, and few on experiences which I developed while studying. So that takes time, you know. So these are the things what I told you. Please everyone follow these steps. First, what I told you, the love of literature. You need to create the love of literature, because I tell you, a particular period that shall come in your life when you want to understand the epistemological rules of literature. You will just understand the interest is something that you need to put into your subject. If you put interest in your subject, that is the beauty of a subject, that you're going to grow very easily and very slow. Okay, maybe the gradual improvement that will come in your in the subject, but in overall, in future you will realize the small steps that will truly help you. So thank you, and be with me. And I tell you, no need to join any class and nor any institutions. Whatever your requirements are, I shall take care of everything. If you need any notes, I shall be providing that as well. Okay? So thank you very much. Be with me, and start adoring it. What I told you in the first video, be what you want to be. Be what you want to be. Okay? Thank you very much, everybody.